Hello everyone, welcome again. And today I'm going to continue that automation tutorial. So in the last tutorial I've seen like how to set up Java and Eclipse in your system. If you don't know, please watch that previous video and it will clear too, or I will provide the link in description box. You can check this complete article, which is help you to download the Java and install it your machine. After the installing Eclipse, you will get this types of configuration at your machine. Actually, I'm using the Spring tool suite, so it's also similar to Eclipse, or we can say it has a more easy features than Eclipse. So today we'll see how to configure the complete setup or Selenium WebDriver in your Eclipse. So you can read that article also, set up Selenium WebDriver with Eclipse. So the very first step, you need to go and download the Selenium Apk from this link. So the link is doc.seleniumhq org to download. So download the latest version API. So I'm going to download it. So it will take a time. Actually, this is a server standalone jar file which will help you to use Selenium, and it contain all the Selenium libraries which will help you to develop the automation framework or automation script. So wait until it will finish the downloading process. Let's discuss with other thing. Like next thing, you need to import and you need to download the Chrome driver. So here is the link. You can download the link. You can check the link from here. So download the Chrome driver. It will help to communicate with Chrome browser. So according to their system configuration, like I'm using Windows, so I'm using my I need to download this next one. I think I downloaded the wrong one. I need to download that Chrome Win 32 zip. So I downloaded this. I downloaded both file. Open the folder and keep this file in separate folder, like for demo. I'm going to keep this and drive and create a folder like library, or we can say Selenium library. So one file is already put there and the other one is Chrome driver. So just open this, open that Chrome driver, copy and just go and drive in the same folder. I'm going to paste this also. Okay, so just extract that file here. You will get a exe file, Chrome driver, and the third step you need to follow for this is it will be just create a project and go through this. You can read that complete article. Here is a demo script also. So I'm going to show you the practical things, how the things work. So in Eclipse, just create a new project, simple new project. I'm not going to use any Maven, any other thing for basic, for learning purpose. For if you are going to start this, so just go with Java project. So if you don't get the Java project there, so search here for Java, just click on other and search for Java. So here you can see the Java project under the Java. So Java project, select the Java project, click on next and give a particular name like automation tutorial, and select your configuration here, click on next, and all this done, click on finish. Yes. When you click finish, the ID is build a project for you, complete configuration. So you can see here the source folder and all related libraries are there. So what we need to do, we need to import some there is a spelling mistake, this tutorial, yeah, no problem. So just import this file Selenium library in your system. So you need, when you're going to import, just right click on the project, click on property and Java build path and add external jars and go with d drive Selenium live and select that standalone server, click and apply. It's done. Close. Under the source package, source folder, you need to create a Java class. So I'm going to create a Java class here. Create a class. The class name you can keep anything you want. So for the demo, I'm going to use that main. It's my class. Okay. Inside the default package, I got a class main.java, and now I need to write the complete script. Before writing a script, I need to set some system property like system.set property, and here I need to set the Chrome driver or which browser we are going to use, or on which browser we are going to automate run our project. So I'm using here the Chrome driver. So just we need first a main method inside the Java program. If you're familiar with Java, it's necessary for the desktop application. So when I create a main class, okay, just create this class. Inside this, the first line, my first line will be system.set property. Here I need to pass the webdriver.chrome.driver, and here the path of my exe file. So in this system, my path is inside my D drive in Selenium web, and I got this Chrome driver. So just copy that path and paste it here. Yeah, and the next thing what I need to do is create an object of a particular browser, which browser you are going to use. So the next line of my source code will be the creative browser for the creative object of the particular browser. So here is the next line as a driver equals to new driver. So I need to define this driver before I want to use. So the type of driver will be Webdriver. You can see here the this package org.openqa.selenium. When we import that file Selenium jar file, we got that all the supported classes here or interfaces here. So I need to make it public and static, because we are going to call it inside the static method, and need to support it the package for the Chrome driver also. So I import that package. Now my driver is set, everything is set. Now I need to perform some operation with Chrome web driver. So just like I want to open any website like driver.get, and here I'm going to open that code1.com, you can say. So just copy the URL of which you are going to automate, and before this we can do maximize window and all that things we will see deep. First I'm going to show you demo how it will look and how it's working. So when I execute this class, at the very first it will set, at the very first it will open the browser automatic, you can say, I think, sorry. So I'm going to run it again. So it's going to run, and you can see the browser is open, and it's trying to paste that code1.com on the in the URL. Okay, you can see especially the code1.com in URL, and you can see the website is open. And so this way you can configure it your system. And for more detail, like if you want to maximize the window, for maximize I mean, like my window is open in this size and I want to explore that window, open that window in a complete browser, so like this. So we can use driver.manage, we can use that line here, driver.manage.window.maximize. So driver.manage dot window dot maximize. So let's run again, and this time you will see the window will be maximized automatic, and load the URL. You can see the size and you can see the magic. Now it will load the URL. So after this, I want to discuss one more thing, is driver.close. So driver.close will automatically close your browser after the execution. So I hope you clear with the every line of code also working, and how you need to configure this at your machine. And if you have a doubt, you can comment me, and I will provide the article link also in description box, so which will help you to read the things in detail. Thank you, and very next tutorial we will see how to get more proficiency in this automation, and we will get back to you with a new video. Thank you.